Wala, welcome to our podcast Inkezo Yolwazi. Namhlanje sila eMayville eThekwini lapho osomabhizinisi kanye no-government wase-KZN behlangene to talk about how we can improve and implement strategies to make sure that there is progress in the business sector eThekwini. Eduze kwami nginosisi la omuhle ugqoke isigqoko esihle nje uyaglowa uMakhosi Ntshangase one of the business owners i-Sisters Fellas. Unjani sisi Makhosi?
Yo, ngiyaphila and ngithi mengibukusula namhlanje I'm like wow kwazi kwaphela kulokho nje wow information ekade sisula namhlanje.
You've just been so overwhelmed with all the information and all everything that has happened.
Yeah, definitely, especially njengoba ngimusha kwi-sponsor shop business. So I was like, hawu bengithi kulula kade kunjena lana ngabona lapho ukuthi hayi indawo nesector inama pros and cons akhona. So when we're sitting from outside uzothi nina 1,000 uqala kanti you need more than 1,000 to do the patience, you need dedication, you need time and lots of planning. Without putting systems in place, then you only let that namhlanje, then it's invalid. So probably if I did not come here today, nami bengizofuna kule number like kade kabe abantu about 42 and then no one was taken, because I would not know my systems that are in place, and also if my business I wouldn't be having my systems. So I really saw balega compliance, nokwenza sure ukuthi nje ulandela ama-podcast kanjena, ama-social media ukuze uthole information so you get updated. So ungasaleli ngemuva lokho okay, the government is not doing much. Actually, we're also not doing much by not going there and getting the certificates, you understand? Yeah.
So in your opinion, what is the importance of you've learned a lot of things in terms of going out there and making sure that you do the things the right way so that you are able to get the assistance that you need? So what is in your opinion, what is the importance of actually collaborating with other businesses so that uzokwazi ukuthi nawe you grow nanokuthi ukwazi ukuthi continuously improve and ufunde nakwabanye abantu, not just in your sector but in other sectors as well?
Okay, uma kuthiwa ngenzela i-camera, we need to collaborate. It's quite a good thing and kanjani. Into elonjwe namhlanje yinhle, kodwa I can foresee new mafias that are coming. Why do I say that? Because yabona, I was listening to how many organizations and forums and which ongamela ama-sponsor shop. Already there is a mafia type of setup, you understand? Which means izobuyela kula setup ekushifa neyosomatekisi. So it means before ibe out of hand, kufanele shashi control, because njengoba kade money ngangaka lana nomunye uzofuna kube uyena ozogcina chair wa wonke umuntu eKZN. So the next war that we're going to see is tuck shop mafia war.
Is it?
Uma kade ngibuka namhlanje.
So in your opinion, what must happen for us to be able to collaborate, access to information, capacitation and all those things?
I think ngaphandle kweyinhlaka ngiyazi ukuthi avele bezomshaya Jesus Christ. Ngaphandle kweyinhlaka lezi ezikhona, there are some that are genuinely there for us, and then there are some which saw an opportunity. Only if kukuthi sector there is dealing with a sponsor shop economy under government or under entities, they will make sure they take care of people and give them information. So we don't need many forums and organizations that are representing us. It means government needs to be the one that comes up with a council, an official council that all these small organizations and forums report to. Because angikwazi to put up a forum nale, there's going to be clash of interest nani, but into engiyithanda into abazanayo yinhle, ngiyayithanda and ngiyayibona, kodwa greed and power will be our downfall.
So when you advise or you say ukuthi let's caution against indaba yokuthi kugcine lento isegcine nasuthi imonopolize.
Yes, so njengoba nizile lana nizosinikeza le information nami ulamuvo ukuthi noma ngasumanga ngasho ngabe ngafuna ukunquma hayi nquna physically